Means it's time for more of our Pictures with Santa. Let's kick things off with Layla McKibben, and she is from Arma, Kansas. The ripe old age of 5.
Up next, we've got Jaylee Grills from Girard. Jaylee, also 5 years old.
She's decked out in some festive clothing there. Here's Colton Cunningham from Joplin. This young man has just turned 2. I like his Christmas sweater.
And up next, we've got the Mazervilles. I know I butchered that last name. I am so sorry. But Jackson and Aubrey. We got Jackson, who's 4. Aubrey, also 4 months. And they are both from Pittsburgh.
I think that name might be misspelled. It might be the Mazervilles. So I've seen it pronounced that way. I could be wrong, and I'm sorry if I am, but I've seen it pronounced the Mazervilles.
Okay.
And Lincoln Yantis is next. He's a big 2 years old and is from Frontenac.
We've also got Elijah and Micaiah Davis from Pittsburgh. Elijah is 7 and Micaiah only 1 month old, so her first Christmas, first time with Santa.
Oh, look at Briley Egbert. She's from McCune, Kansas, and is 11 months old. She's not hating on Santa at all, loves it.
Not in the slightest. Nora Waterman up next. She's from Asbury and is 5 years old.
Aww. And last but certainly not least, here is 4-year-old Lainey Ross from Pittsburgh. I just have one name.
And that's Sawyer Garner as well, joining Lainey. So, all right. Well, remember, tomorrow's our last Pictures with Santa segment, so make sure you tune in. You'll catch them right here about this same time here on the KOAM Morning News. And, of course, we've been posting them to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com.
All right. Be sure to check those out.
We've been looking
forward
to
those pictures.
Oh, they're wonderful.
Every time I see them, and then I see all these Facebook memories of my kids with Santa, and like, we never got them this year, and I feel really bad.
Hey, don't forget, we're going to do it again next year, too. So make sure you get out there and get your pictures taken with Santa.